Today I'm going to show you how you can make your small house just a little bit bigger by making a castle. Bring it on, brothers. So the best way to start any project is by making a plan. I'm going to just draw up what I envision of what this is going to look like in this corner here. Let's see if I can make it easy enough that you can do it. This was my office, an exercise. We got these toys and you can see it just pretty boring, plain. This is only about an eighth of our toys. So I'm going to see what we can do to make this better. So the first thing we're going to need to do is clean up all the toys. So we got a normal IKEA shelf, an IKEA shelf that I'll modify, put a TV there. Yeah, we're gonna make this look as castle-y as possible. And this is a door to get in. All right, time to put these two together and bring them in. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Oh no! Alright, so here's the initial plans I made. So what I need to do now is take this top portion and figure out how I'm actually going to make it out of wood. Alright, so I got all the measurements, but something I want to do before I go to the store is try to do it in one pass, one time to the store. Something else that I'm going to need is some plywood to cover up all the spaces. I'm at least going to need 2 because this is 81. Normal plywood is 96. So that will get me from here to about right here. So I'm going to need a piece to fill up that space and then a piece over here. And then this I'm estimating to be 5 2x4s, but I'm going to buy an extra one. If you like blueprints, request them in the comments below. Test fit this guy in place. All right, now we're gonna take this measurement, 71 7/8. You got that remembered, camera? 70 and 7/8.
Huh? That's
like a glove. Now I'm gonna take this all into the garage and assemble it there. I'm using these wood screws right here. It's a Torx head, which makes it less likely to strip like a Phillips or a flathead. But it also has this cutout that kind of pre-drills the hole as you're going through. It's less likely for the wood to split. So I'm gonna try not doing it first, and if it starts splitting, then I will start doing some pre-drilled holes. What do you guys think? Pretty darn good. So we're gonna put this 2x4 in. This is an 8-foot board with 45s on each end that are gonna go into these shorter boards. And then from that board, we'll go 16 inches until the end. Frame's done. All right, here it is in place, not screwed in yet. But we'll screw this to the wall, and then we'll put a couple screws down to hold this sturdy. So these are both hooked to the wall through the platform. Now I got this screwed in place. I'm gonna take some measurements to start cutting the board. Oh yeah, beautiful. So we got this board screwed in, so now we gotta cut this board like a glove. Wow, this is cool, huh buddy? Bring your toys and your friends up here. So the next thing I need to design is the walls that will come up. I'm gonna have this doorway that's gonna be an arch. Then I'm gonna do this portion right in the middle. We're gonna make a 2x2 frame. Home Depot.
Daddy, some bricks. Give me some bricks. Yes, 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 and some.
Alrighty, so I got these all cut. It's time to screw it in. I'm gonna screw it into the wall and into the base. Alright, so now that I have all the framing up on the castle, I need to now cut the brick. Perfect. Alright. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Not quite done yet. Doing a test run with the kiddos. She's loving it. Hi. Okay. It's time to now build a ladder. I'm gonna use the 2x2s and place them every foot across this so the kids can climb up.
2 hours later.
Here's the ladder that I built on. That's how I had on the drawing. And my kids are having a really hard time to climb up it. What I'm gonna do is build ladders out of 2x4 and hinge it to the wall so it can fold out of the way and put it back down really easily. If you'd like blueprints or plans for the castle, feel free to request them in the comments below.